And in today's video, Samsung versus Note 4 camera comparison.
Front-facing camera, 4K even 60 frames per second for the Samsung, and Full HD 30 for the Nord. Look at the sky. Which one is overexposing the sky? Greatly, definitely the Nord. If I'm out of the frame, will compensate. And that is really cool. Definitely a wider view for the Nord. Do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? Only in Samsungs. Why do you need autofocus in front-facing camera? For example, if I want to show you a flower, then you will have a focus. No, the flower is not the good thing because it's too small. A leaf will be much better. A leaf. Look at the details. And without autofocus, there'll be no details. It'll be all blurry. Why I'm comparing such a different smartphones? At the moment, I only have a flagship in my stash of smartphones, only ultra flagship, so there's no point to compare such a medium range device to a ultra flagship. But the Samsung is a bit old and half the price for the Note. And a wide angle lens, because Nord doesn't have 4K, we're filming in Full HD, and with Samsung in 4K. Which is wider? Of course, Samsung is way wider view. Alright, let me walk around a little bit. We need some colors. Do we have autofocus in wide angle? No, we don't. In any of them. Sky. Alright, video stabilization. Vlogging style, if you want to vlog from the smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. And switching to the 4K main lens. 4K 60. And we switch to the 4K 30, not 60, because when I switch to 60, 30 frames per second will be very juddery. So let's keep it the whole video in 30 frames per second because of that Nord limitation. Alright. Commenting what I see on the smartphone and on the Nord is a way brighter and a little bit over sharpening the image, just a tiny bit. Autofocus test. Which one is faster? Okay, we don't have the lenses at the same position, so I will have to do it like this. Telephoto. That's 12x maximum for this Samsung, and 10x for Nord. Do you see the difference? That is a significant difference. If we shoot something which is closer, like this van, that is a great difference. If we go back to like 6x, 6, wow.
So what do you think? Let me know in the comment below. See you next video. Bye.